Camarilla pivots. My name's Daniel, gunslinger, a wick reversal. Maybe you know me from our Telegram group, Camarilla Pivot Trading. If you are not in there, you are welcome to join. It is free because all of these tutorial videos I'm going to be making are completely non-profit and just for educational purposes. I am not a financial advisor, so nothing I say should be counted as such. Camarilla pivots and CPR, Central Pivot Range, are going to be the focus of the tutorial videos that I'll be showing. First of all, why pivots? Why should you trade pivots? Second of all, I should say, they are leading indicators. Here are pivots on daily levels. Each one of these represents a day of Camarilla pivot levels. These levels are plotted at the beginning of the day. Sometimes can be plotted before the day has begun using the right tools, which we will give you access to. They give you a plan, a strategy, an idea of what your trading day is going to be, where you're going to enter, where your targets are going to be. You will know when your trade's gone wrong. You will know you'll have your stop loss, your entry, your targets, your plan ahead of time, every time. These are leading indicators. They are not lagging indicators. They are developed and placed and plotted based on previous price action, which means they dynamically adjust based on the previous time frame, no matter if you want to trade intraday, hourly, intra-week, intra-month. It will use the previous month, previous week, previous day to plot the next levels. And you will be amazed to see sometimes levels that can be plotted a year in advance hit with such precision, almost like a scalpel. Surgically, the price reacts upon them because these levels and these trading methods are take into consideration the algos that the markets run on. The markets are all run on algorithms, bots, even the big traders, institutions, they use automation, and it's clearly shown even in a trending or bullish market where everything's mooning like Bitcoin, how these levels get reactions still through and through. For decades, these levels, these pivots have worked across different markets. These principles can be applied to cryptocurrencies, to stocks, to Forex. The original founder of Camarilla pivots was Nick Frost, who was a bonds trader. These rules are universal between markets. Camarilla pivots and the strategy we're going to go over gives you something important that all traders need. A system that can weed out emotions and bad trading decisions and hone your discipline and your confidence with regular and consistent results. This is very important because emotions, I believe, is the hardest thing for traders to tackle. With these trading systems, you will have your entries, your targets, your stop losses. You will be able to trade trending markets, ranging markets, reversals, breakouts, you name it. And you will know when you want to enter and where you want to go. And you will also not feel sad when you lose a trade, if you get stopped out, or overly joyous if you win a trade. You will become more like a professional trader, more regularly consistent with a stable mind and focus. It's because we can't let emotions take over no matter we're winning or losing. These levels adjust to changing price action. If price the price range gets narrow, the levels get tighter. They respond to trending markets, the levels get wider based on the previous price action. You do not need to pay attention to news or FOMO or any of these things, because anything that had an impact on the market, on the price, is already accounted for in the levels that are currently being used to plot the levels you are making trades on in that current time frame. If you are trading today's levels and some news made price jump yesterday, well, if the market responded to it, the levels are based on previous price action. It is accounted for. That means you can avoid joining the herd, avoid getting in with the FUD. You can just trade the charts across the markets. You can avoid so many of these gateways of bad habits and negative emotions or bad influential emotions that often lead traders astray. Camarilla, and all pivots in general, they're superior to lagging indicators like RSI, stochastic, MACD, because you don't need to wait for price to react. You don't need to wait for them to react to price. You are waiting for price to come meet you. You already know where you want to trade, and oftentimes when trading this system, even if the trade doesn't go your way, because of the algorithmic response and reactions to price on your levels, even if the trade doesn't go your way, you will have time to take a look, consider it, evaluate it. You will be able to trade the range, like these yellow boxes, breakout, breakdown targets, and you will have a daily or weekly, however you want to trade, a consistent style and method that suits you as a trader. These indicators I'm using and the groups I showed will all be provided for free. If you want to donate, welcome to. My hope is that everyone can find confidence and a method that works for them to becoming a consistent and profitable trader. I know it was hard for me when I started. These resources weren't around, not for free anyway. And a lot of the things I've learned have been from books and other traders, and also developed and enhanced from those resources along with my experience. So I look forward to meeting you and having you join us. Everyone in that group is very helpful. I have a guy named Bert who helps make the indicators, and people share ideas. It's a really great group. And I look forward to creating the videos more in depth with some of the market secrets and habits and strategies using the Camarilla and CPR methods that I've come to use over time. My name is Dan. You can find me on TradingView, Gunslinger 2005. You can find our group, just search in Telegram, Camarilla Pivot Trading. And we welcome you.